welcome to Curly Beauty 13. In today's video, I am wearing two different length check t-shirts from White Palm, but I'm not doing an official length check. The lines can be in the front or the back, so please check it out at www.whitepalm.com. So I'm using my length check t-shirt with the lines in the front to help me cut my hair. I'm comfortable trimming and cutting my hair because it always grows back, so if I make a mistake, I'm okay with that. I'm not really worried about it being even or perfect. If you're not comfortable cutting your own hair, make sure you see a professional. If you do feel comfortable trimming your hair on your own, make sure you're using shears for your hair. Regular scissors are not good for cutting your hair. So I'm just using the lines to just make sure I'm cutting it evenly. Each line is 1 inch apart, so it just gives me an idea of how much I'm cutting. And my ends were really ready for a cut, so I wasn't really worried about how much length I was losing. I just wanted to make sure that my ends were fresh. Don't forget to check out www.whitepalm.com to order your length check t-shirt. If you use the code that is on the screen right now, you will get 15% off the length check tee with the lines in the front and the classic length check t-shirt with the lines in the back, only for a limited time. So my trim is all done. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.